Okay, welcome you all for Value for Money channel. In this today's session, let's understand sensitivity analysis table. So we have illustration example here. How profit value changes with subject to change in quantity and as well as variable cost, right? So what we have done is first let's calculate first profit. So what is the standard formula for calculation of profit? So total revenue minus total cost. In our example, the fixed cost amount is 1 lakh rupees. The variable cost per unit is 10 rupees per unit. Selling price per unit is 30 rupees. The total quantity is going to manufacture by the organization say 10,000 quantities. So how to calculate total cost? The total cost formula is fixed cost plus total variable cost. So how do you calculate total variable cost? Variable cost per unit into total number of units, that is 10,000. So we got 2 lakh rupees as a total cost. So how do you calculate total revenue? Total revenue equal to selling price per unit into star, right? Total quantity is 10,000. We'll get so the 3 lakh rupees. The profit is revenue, total revenue minus total cost. We'll get 7 lakh rupees. So we need to prepare sensitivity table now. So I have already chosen, right? So the sensitivity of profit with respect to change in the variable cost per unit and change in the total quantities. So I have taken, say for example, say if the variable cost per unit change from 5 rupees to 23 rupees. So for example, say quantities I have taken subject to change from 5,000 to 25,000 quantities. What is the actual meaning of that? Just I wanted to know for 11 rupees variable cost and 9,000 quantities if I manufacture, how much is the profit I will get. So I wanted to know the profit value with subject to change in variable cost and change in what quantities. So the respect to the corresponding variable cost and the corresponding quantity, how much profit we will get. So what's supposed to be done here? So the very first cell of the table, just select equal to. So what to be changed here? Profit to be changed. Select the profit, right? Just enter, right? Select the entire table. Select the entire table. So here this very first cell of the table plays a very important role. Very important role. So now select the entire table. Go to data. What if analysis data table. Here the row input cell, we have already given row input cell and we selected as a variable cost. Please select the respective variable cost cell in the input table. So similarly, column input cell we have considered as a quantity. Please select the respective quantity cell in the input table 10,000. Please select, please enter. So the sensitivity table is ready. So what is the use of the sensitivity table? So now go to home, just understand. So highlight. So say less than 0. So means, so where we are getting profits here. So see here we are getting negative profits. So for if you go for 11 rupees variable cost, if you fix for 5,000 quantities, right, you will get negative value. Similarly, if you fix 11,000 quantities if you manufacture, and if you fix 23 rupees as a variable cost, assume that your quantity remains same and selling price remains same. In that cases, you will get what? Negative profits or less than zero profits. So suppose assume that similarly, if you want to understand, right, so go to say for example, you have to get say 50,000 rupees profit you have to get, right? So you have to get say 50,000 rupees profit, more than 50,000 rupees profit you have to get, right? Say for example, you have to get 1 lakh rupees. Select another color for highlighting, click OK. See here. So like this you can see what combination of variable cost per unit and quantities to be selected, right, in order to get so and so profit. Assume that the remaining values, means what is the remaining value? Fixed cost and as well as, right, selling price remains same. So this is the advantage. What is the one advantage of what? Preparing sensitivity table, right, for your convenient manner to understand yourself, right, by changing two variables, how one variable, that is profit, will change. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. Thank you so much.